Do you ever go online and wonder who is watching on the other side? These days, literally every click, every search, and every login feels exposed, especially on public Wi-Fi or when you're traveling. That is exactly why I started using Argus VPN, which is a simple tool that locks down your connection and keeps literally everything you do online fully protected. What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. Let's dive into this massive gem. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna start this video by saying that Argus VPN truly surprised me because it works exactly the way a VPN should. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's safe without any complicated menus or slowdowns. You just open the app, tap once, and you are connected. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play, so literally anyone can download it instantly and start browsing securely. And what makes Argus stand out from the rest is how seriously they take your privacy. Literally everything about you stays hidden. Your real IP address, the websites you visit, your browser history, your session duration, even your bandwidth usage. And the speed is honestly impressive because you get super fast connections with no buffering and unlimited bandwidth, which is perfect for streaming, gaming, or just scrolling. And on top of this, guys, Argus even uses their own proprietary technology to keep your connection stable in countries where other VPNs usually struggle. And you also get a huge list of server locations to choose from. There are 50 locations inside the United States alone, plus around 40 more countries worldwide. That gives you full flexibility to protect your real IP address or access content from different regions whenever you need. One thing I personally love is the fact that you can use one account on unlimited devices, which is insane value. Your phone, your laptop, tablet, smart TV, literally whatever you use, you're protected everywhere. And the cool thing is that if you're unsure at first, Argus also gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can try it completely risk-free, test all the features, and if you do not love it, they will refund literally every dollar. That being said, guys, let me quickly show you how simple Argus VPN actually is in real use. You just install it from the App Store or Google Play like any normal app, you open it, tap the big connect button, and that's pretty much it. There is no long setup and no confusing settings. It literally connects in a couple of seconds and you can start browsing right away. As I said, guys, you can also sign up with just your email and try everything for free first. Once you are connected, websites load normally, videos play smoothly, and there is no weird lag or slowdown that many people are used to with cheap VPNs. It literally feels like you're browsing without a VPN, but with the extra protection on top. As I said, you can protect your phone, laptop, tablet, even your smart TV, and if you want, you can share it with family, so mom, dad, partner, or brother all use the same subscription instead of paying separately. I have to admit that it's very practical if your whole household wants privacy and access to geo-blocked content. Obviously, guys, as you could have already seen, privacy is clearly their main focus. Argus VPN is built so that your activity stays anonymous and your personal data is not shared around third parties. I would still suggest checking their privacy policy on the website, but their whole positioning is about protecting you and not monetizing your data. Keep in mind that right now they do not have thousands of servers like some of the oldest VPN giants, but they already offer many locations, including a lot inside the US and dozens of countries worldwide. So for most people who just want to stream, browse safely, or change their region, the current list is literally more than enough. Compared to other VPNs, this is exactly where Argus starts to look very attractive. A lot of big names are 2 or 3 times more expensive per month, especially after their promo period ends. So technically, in many cases, you're actually paying for marketing and not for better protection. Argus gives you fast connections, strong privacy, unlimited bandwidth, and multi-device support at a more affordable price. And since we already talked about how most big VPN brands charge way too much, now let's take a look at Argus VPN's pricing so you can really see the huge difference. You can start with a 7-day plan for just $2.59 USD, unlimited devices included. The monthly plan is $6.99 USD, which is already lower than most well-known VPNs that usually start around $10 to $13 a month. Keep in mind that with Argus, one subscription protects your entire household. If you want the best value, the 6-month plan drops the price to $5 USD per month, and the biggest discount comes from the 12-month plan at only $4.17 USD per month with a full 40% off. Guys, for this price, you're getting unlimited bandwidth, you're getting high-speed, instant connection, strong privacy, and support for as many devices as you want. So let's keep it real here. Most premium VPNs charge double for the same thing and still limit device connections. That being said, when you compare the features and the price point, it's simply one of the smartest choices right now. If you want a VPN that actually delivers what it promises without draining your wallet, this is the one worth trying. The link is in the description and the pinned comment, and with a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's basically risk-free. Stay safe online, and I will see you in the next one. This is your favorite Web3 gem finder signing off.